Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot browse your Google Play Store or use Google Chrome on OPPO A57s. So first let's try downloading something from our Google Play Store. We can click on install for any app, but it changes depending and won't download the actual game as it stayed this way forever. Let's cancel that for now and move to Google Chrome. Here we can open, or at least try to open any website, but there's a problem. And to fix them both, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down to find the system, navigate to date and time, and enable set time automatically. If we go back to our Google Play Store and try to install that same game, it should download without any problem. And the same goes with Google Chrome, so we can reload the page, and here it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.